Hello guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the Note 12 5G and it starts with 1,199 yuan and it comes in three colors, black, white and blue. So guys, this is the front side of the phone. And this is the right side where you can see the volume rocker, the power button, and the fingerprint scanner, which is mounted on the side. You can see this is the bottom part, which has the speaker, the USB Type-C port, plus the microphone. And this is the back part of the phone where you could see the camera module, which has two cameras and the LED flash. The back is made of glass, guys, and you could see that the back is curved. The left side of this phone houses the SIM card tray. And this is the top view, which has the audio jack, the IR blaster, and the microphone. And now let's talk about the Note 12's specs. So this phone has an OLED display and it's powered by Snapdragon 4 Gen 1. It has a 5,000 milliamp battery which has 33 watts fast charger. It has a 48 megapixel on its main camera, which runs on MIUI 13. And here are some of the specs. So it has 120 Hertz refresh rate, and you could see more there. 7.98 thickness, and so on. To get the full details of this phone specs, I'll just post it on the screen. So let's take a look at the camera features. So it has documents, video, photo, portrait. It has a night mode as well and more features as you can see here. And it has also a pro option where you can customize your camera features, just like that. Okay, let's take a sample for a test. No, it's a pro one, not a document. Let's take photo. Oh, I think this certain Note 12 5G series doesn't have any. Yeah, it doesn't have any ultra wide and 2x zoom. Just the camera focus is fixed. Because as you can see, guys, it's only dual camera. It's not a tri or triple camera. And just like any other Xiaomi phone, you can filter your camera setup by pressing this icon, the star icon. And you can see there's normal mode, vivid, gold vibes, gourmet. You customize the camera setting before you take a photo, or you can beautify it. And it has filters as well. Oh yeah, that's the filter, I'm sorry, that's the filter. And beautify, so you can customize it. If you want very, very smooth skin, you can use this function. And if you flip this camera to the other side, you can see it's very functional as well. So this is the selfie camera, which has 16 megapixels. So this is the selfie camera, which is located in the center, the top center of the phone. So let's try to listen to music, guys. So let's test the speaker, because this doesn't have a dual speaker. So the speaker is just at the bottom. You see the 3 holes there, or the grill, and the top just have the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. I think the sound is not as loud as the Pro and Pro Plus version, just because it's a single speaker. But it has also an IR blaster at the top, guys, or infrared blaster. So just like the Pro Plus version, the framing, the body, the design of the Note 12 5G is the same. Okay, unlike the Pro version, the framing, the body is like flat, totally flat. It's not curved. So guys, the Note 12, the Note 12 phone, this is the price tag. So 6GB plus 128GB is 1,299. The 8GB plus 128 is 1,499. 8GB plus 256 is 1,699. But they have special offer until the 31st this month in October. You can get 100 yuan discount. So you can get this introductory price. Instead of 1,299, you can get it for 1,199. And it runs on MIUI 13. And it's 7.98 millimeter thick, 188 grams, the weight, and 3.5 milliamp, the audio jack, and it has an IP53. It registers or certification. It has an IP53 certification. Okay guys, so if this phone is very advisable or good for those who are in a budget, I think the display, the OLED display is quite good. And it's, and it's thin as well. So you can see here the volume rocker and the power button. The back of this phone, guys, is glass, but the body framing is made of hard plastic. But it has only dual camera, guys. and LED flash. So what do you think of this phone, guys? Leave your thoughts and your comments down below. So with that said, we've come to an end, guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. 再见. Bye bye.